Wagwan squad. Today I'm going to show you how to make toasted coconut. Perfect for desserts, breakfast cereals, and even savory items like curry. This is super flexible. So I'm going to show you how to make it so you can add it to your arsenal. But first, I'm going to mark it.
What look like it? It's alright. Oh, a yellow heart.
Yellow heart, yes, I can see it through.
This don't look bad.
How much is
You
this?
just slightly bruise. 300.
21, because I want this definitely to go and go roast like right now. Not that one. Oh my god. I want this here.
Alright.
I know roast.
I think I'll go hold on on this, make it turn, and then tomorrow I'll go in on it.
So 3 small, medium.
Them native looking dark one there.
I ended up getting 3 of these. 2 of them weren't even good. Next time I buy dry coconut, I'm going to break them before leaving.
You say not good?
200.
For this?
Alright, I'm only going to be using a small amount of coconut. This isn't bone dry, which is fine. This was the only good coconut I had left from the market. I'm going to use a vegetable peeler to shave this. A mandolin is also perfect for this, so you could use one of that too. Shredding with a grater also works pretty well. This peeler is pretty sharp and maybe not the best tool to use for safety reasons, but I really like the shavings over everything else though. I'm not even going to try and finish shaving this. I really like my fingers. Nice and thin. I'm going to add a little granulated sugar for a little bit of sweet. A big pinch of salt. And I'm also adding a splash of coconut oil. This will help the coconut brown evenly and double down on the coconut flavor. Give that a good toss to mix everything properly. These are actually good as is now. I'm thinking salad. I have this thick cast iron pan. This will help give me a beautiful even toast, but a baking tray works well too. I need a bit of grease paper just so everything is easy to remove later. Ah, the rain is coming down. If you let this sit for a while, the salt and sugar will start to draw out the water from the coconut. I'm going to place this in the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This will not brown evenly, so I'm going to have to toss this every couple of minutes until it's done. Alright, these are nicely toasted. The smell is great fresh out of the oven. These taste really good. These are hot now, so they will still be limp, but as soon as they cool down, they become crispy. I did a test batch yesterday. These are totally cool now. Hear that? Super crispy. Toasted coconut is a great garnish for so many different pastries. It adds really great texture to food. Try this with some vanilla ice cream. Bam. These pretty much melt in your mouth too, so that's a plus. I made some delicious curry chicken recently and toasted coconut was great with it. You will find this recipe in that video as well. Alright squad, this was great. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.